Hello friends, welcome to 30 days series of Spring Boot. Today is day 3. Today's topic, what is Spring Bean and how to represent Java class as a Spring Bean. Let's start. The Java class, which is managed by IOC container, is called as a Spring Bean. To represent one Java class as a Spring Bean, we have several annotations. They are component, service, repository. These three annotations are class level annotations, and we can also call them as stereotype annotations. And we have @bean annotation, which is method level annotation. So if you go for component, service, repository, IOC container will create the object for our class. We'll consider that as a Spring Bean. If you go for @bean, programmer should create the object and give to the IOC, and IOC will represent that as a Spring Bean. And coming to Spring WebMVC module, there are two annotations available, @controller and @rest controller. These two are also called as class level annotations. When we are developing web application, then we can go for @controller annotation. When we are developing distributed application like REST API, then we can go for @rest controller annotation. So if you like this video, please comment on this, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.